everyone, and thank you for being here. These are our Conexio CX Lab spaces. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics at Conexio, that is marketing automation and marketing operations. We are here with the team of experts all around the world that cover our marketing automation teams and basically everything we do at Conexio. Just as a quick reminder, these spaces are or office spaces to share with the world what we do and what we are passionate about here at Conexio. They're called CX Labs, and each week we're gonna bring you different topics to share our experiences with you, and hopefully we can generate questions and clarify doubts from our audience. So first thing first, I want to introduce the team. Uh, we're seeing, I think we're seeing all good. So Luis Hernandez is our Marketo specialist from Colombia. Silvio Aranda is our AJO and Adobe campaign specialist too from Buenos Aires, Argentina. And Carolina Quiroga, our practice leader from the marketing automation area. She is Argentinian but currently living in Montevideo. So when I said that we were international, I mean it. My name is Luis Benitez. I'm the head of marketing here at Conexio, and I have the luck of handling these spaces and managing these conversations with our team of experts. So let's start today's conversation. It's going to be all about Marketo and AJO. So Luis, give us a start, give us an introduction of what Marketo is and the kind of problems it solves.
Thank you, Luis. So to start, we can say that Marketo is a cloud-based marketing automation platform that helps business automate their marketing processes. It offers tools for email marketing, lead management, social media marketing, and analytics, among other tools. So in the Summit 2023, new features for Marketo Engage have been announced. Some of them are the visual journeys, interactive webinars, and dynamic chat essential enhancements. So, Caro, can you please talk more about dynamic chat enhancements?
Yes, sure. Well, when we are talking about this enhancement of dynamic chat, first we need to talk about, or we need to think about humanizing the customer experience, right? So the main idea here, or the idea behind, is for us to make sure that we are aligning with our customers at a right stage. So moving up funnel our conversations with the customers is a way for us to reach them at a previous stage and also generate the knowledge they need to make sure that they convert and they move through the complete funnel. So the main idea here is to guide them through that, right? So for that, Marketo already had a dynamic chat that is a new channel for us to communicate with our customers in a more direct way. But right now, Adobe announced that we are also having new functionalities to this dynamic chat that are pretty amazing because it gave us the opportunity to move through another kind of conversation. So there will be guided conversations that are pre-designed and are automated conversations that are based on tree logic that will be already there scheduled to respond to the customer needs. But there will also be another opportunities like live conversations. Live conversations essentially are two-way conversations between our customers and a live sales agent. So this allows us to introduce, for a very specific type of business, to introduce the opportunity to communicate with them through our website and give them the complete experience in a new channel, but in the same page that they enter to understand more about our products. And we also have, and this is kind of a very exciting one, we also have the generative AI conversations, where we can train our AI models to make sure that we have responses to what the customer is looking for. considering what we already knew about them, what we already work with them, and what happened before with our other customers, right? So in this way, we are having a more active approach on the conversations that we are having, and we're giving marketing. Actually, we are giving sales team a more marketing kind of activity to make sure that we're interactive cohesively between the two teams and to make sure that we can convert. So that's one of the things that we're trying to figure out a little bit more in Market Engage regarding dynamic chat. So Luis, can you share more about the other tools?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Carol. So let's talk about visual journeys. This new feature allows marketing teams to build reusable campaigns, increase velocity. Additionally, having a visualization of interconnected campaigns will help with quickly deducting the root cause of errors. Also, journeys have user-friendly design, which offer easy access to smart lists, flow actions, campaign members, and also export the entire journey and share, for example, with other teams. At least, but not least, I will talk about interactive webinars. We can now customize and launch webinars directly with Marketo Engage using Adobe Connect. Adobe Connect is the platform that Adobe has to do webinars. So this is awesome because now we can configure and create webinars with a single click. We can set up engagement stream pools. We can create Q&A, chats. We can cross-target leads using these amazing features. So now we can, for example, in our webinars, create Q&As, give some insights to the attendance to the webinar, thanks to this new feature. And the other really cool feature that come with this improvement is the new analytic dashboard. This analytic dashboard have a lot of information, a really useful information for all the marketers about the events they create in this platform. So this is all the new features that we have in Marketo Engage. And we are so excited waiting for this new feature in the Q3 this year.
Okay, it's so good to hear all these new features that Marketo has for us. It's exciting to hear also how AI is basically starting to live inside every Adobe tool. At least for me, the possibility of interacting with the tool using human language through an AI is sounds as a very, very powerful tool. I know that it's still early and AI is basically the hot topic in every marketer conversation, but I think it will give us a ton of autonomy and it will give us the opportunity to interact with data in a different way. And all this with the goal of having and delivering better experiences. That's what we do at Conexio. That's why we believe that experience-led growth is the way that business should grow and should scale their business result. Is sustainable, is easier on the user side or on the client side. I don't feel like brands are always spamming me with a ton of ads. We are at this point of humanity, we are basically all a little bit immune to ads. So what we perceive is what it is content and information that is relevant to us, and that is, it feels like this message was made for me. It doesn't matter if an AI did it, but this message feels like it was written for me. And basically some of the tools that sustain all this marketing operations, or one of the tools is Adobe Optimizer, Adobe AJO. and Silvia is here to talk. So introduce us. What AJO does, the problems that it solves, and what is new.
Well, hello Luis, hello everyone. Well, AGO is an integral part of the Adobe Experience Cloud. With AGO, NGO allow us to have a view of a centralized view of all the campaigns. With AGO, we can orchestrate customer journeys in real time. That is a very important topic, the real time tag. Also, with AGO, we can create personalized experiences at scale. So we can analyze all the customer behavior and predicting also future behaviors with the machine learning and AI tools that are implemented inside Adobe Journey Optimizer and Adobe Experience Platform. With AGO, we can understand the customer journey from the customer perspective. So it allows marketers to meet the customer needs. So with the developer parts, we can create very very useful journeys, so marketers can create the optimized campaign.
I think, Silvio, one of the things that HEO is actually kind of trying to solve right now, or one of the trends that is happening and is affecting everyone, and this tool is trying to overcome in some ways, is the new issue that we encounter when delivering targeted messages and through different channels. That is making sure that we also are building enough content for that, right? So the content supply chain. So right now what is happening is that it's not only enough for us to keep focusing on having more data if we cannot build enough content to reach to that customers and at that time and on that channel, right? So right now we have a lot of information, we know where we can find our customers, but if we cannot build the content at the same level or at the same time, we cannot reach the customer as we want. So one of the things that HEO is trying to introduce especially when talking about real-time communications, right, is how we can make sure that we are doing our processes as efficient as we can to reach the customers. And I think thinking about that is that Adobe is also pushing a little bit forward this and trying to introduce insider tools as a way to help the marketer teams, to make sure that they can focus on the right things. So one of that is the playbooks. So Adobe is introducing playbooks not only in AGO, but in AGO is one of the platforms that they are introducing this. And the playbooks are actually like templates for use cases, are like things that already work for other companies on the same kind of industry that you are. So having the opportunity for you to see, okay, I have this use case or this potential template of pre-built journeys that can allow me to focus on the content that I want and not on how to build the journey itself. So that it allows to have more efficiency and to make sure that we are actually giving all the customers what they need. So I think that's one of the main things that we are seeing right here. But maybe Silvio, you can share what else we are seeing in AGO.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you, Caro. Yeah, with the playbooks, we can automate the marketing process. With the playbooks, we can automate the content supply chain process. Also, with the playbooks, we can identify easily potential use cases. And as Caro said, the playbooks are pre-built journeys and templates based on best practices or proven strategies. So it allows us to saving time and ensuring the effectiveness of each campaign. Although playbooks are pre-built journeys, the playbooks are also customizable. So in case we need to make some change, we can change the playbook that comes with Geo. So yeah. Well, the second feature that we saw in the Adobe Summit 2023 are the experimentation tools. With the experimentation tools, um, this experimentation ensure effectiveness of each campaign in AGO. Um, for example, with A/B testing or multivariant test. So those tests give us real-time results and quick campaign optimization and adaptation. And also with the testing tools, experimentation tools, we can refine and optimize all the marketing strategies based on data-driven insights, driving better results and stronger customer connections. With the experimentation tools in Adobe Journey Optimizer, we can connect the dots with our clients. It's drive more value to the marketing efforts, and we can test our hypothesis of we can transform our ideas in hypothesis and test it